and welcome fans on my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. My name is Rohit Kumar and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the issue that on publishing the article from WordPress admin panel, it is not showing up in your home page in your website. So how you can fix it? Before gonna start, I request you please subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any of the latest updates from my channel. So let's start. So first of all, let me show you that my recent post is published through the WordPress, but it is not showing up in my home page. It is the post that is Adobe Lightroom Mode APK. So let me go to the home button and it is showing up over there. It is showing only to the admin but not any other user. So how we can fix it? So let me copy the link and go to the incognito tab and let me show you that it is not showing up the other users. So as you can see, it is not visible here. Adobe Lightroom Mode APK is not visible here in the recent post section. So let's fix it. For this we need a catchy plugin. For this I will recommend you a plugin that will help you out. With a single button you can fix this issue. So let's start. So we have to simply, you can see the post is published but is not indexing, so let's fix it. So let me go to the add new plugin and here we will search for W3 total cache. You can use any other cache plugin because we have to simply clear all the caches from our website. With this plugin we can easily clear all the caches, so I'm just recommending this. You have to simply install the W3 total cache plugin. We have to wait over there. So you have to simply activate this. Once you will activate, you can see the performance option. You have to simply click on it and go for purge all caches. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, the all caches from your website will get removed. All caches successfully emptied. Now it's time to check out is our website is showing up our post or not. So let me just open the incognito tab again and let's refresh our home page. It is not showing up, but it's showing up in the blog category but not showing up in the home page. Let's cut it and again open the incognito tab. So as you can see, now our post is visible here in the recent post section and also in the home page. Adobe Lightroom Mode APK is now showing up. So this is the solution for your. I hope this video is really helpful to you. Make sure you like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will meet in the